So hey everybody, it's Mickey, and in today's home rescue video, I am sharing with you the #1 secret to an organized home. So if you are new here, I hope you'll take a minute to subscribe. I put out new videos every week about all things home. So the #1 secret to an organized home may surprise you, and that secret is food. You know, feeding our families is the one thing that we all have in common. Cooking, kitchens, pantries is the one fundamental of home life that we all share. And if we learn to manage it, our lives become more organized in every way. So today we are going to be talking about the different ways that meal planning can help organize our life. Stable routines are one of the foundations of an organized home. Meal planning encourages recurring habits like weekly grocery shopping, meal prep, stocking our pantry, fridge, and freezer, and nightly kitchen cleaning and reset. Stable routines organize our lives by creating structure, consistency, and less daily stress. There are many ways to meal plan for your family. I have several videos on my channel sharing the ways that I meal plan. In my Etsy shop, I also have available a whole home organizing planner, and within that planner are several printables that pertain to meal planning, organizing your pantry, freezer, and refrigerator. There are only about 5 steps to successful meal planning. Starting with your family's daily schedule, look at your week ahead and note any busy nights, activities, or appointments, and plan easy meals for those busy days. Check your pantry, fridge, and freezer first to avoid wasting money on food that you already have in-house. Create a schedule for yourself on how you choose the meals that you're going to make. Maybe it's 2 easy recipes for those busy nights, 2 family favorites for when you have more time, and you can add in a slow cooker meal or a freezer meal, and then you always want to save one night for leftovers. Create your grocery list and only buy what you need for your planned meals. Organize your list by sections, produce, dairy, frozen, that go along with the grocery store that you shop at most often. I also like to add pantry staples to my grocery list every week so that I can build my food supply over time. So how does a meal plan keep your home organized? It creates a smoother family routine with fewer last-minute decisions. It reduces stress by eliminating that daily "what's for dinner" question. It keeps grocery shopping focused so you only buy what you need, and it helps maintain an organized pantry and refrigerator because the food has purpose. It also encourages meal prep and better time management throughout the week. A meal plan is more than just a food plan. It helps your kitchen, schedule, and budget run more smoothly. Meal prepping is also a great way to keep your home and family running smoothly. Planning ahead removes one of the biggest daily household stressors. Batch cooking and freezer meals mean fewer dishes to clean up nightly, keeps your kitchen cleaner throughout the week. Having lunches prepped and portioned out creates a more organized morning and gives your children a feeling of independence by being able to choose what they want in their lunches for that day. Meal prepping can also mean creating meal kits of favorite family recipes. All the ingredients are kept in a bag to make cooking quicker and easier during the week. So let's talk a little bit about food storage. I've always felt that it is important to have a backup food storage system. I think COVID has proven that being prepared and having a minimal of 3 months of long-term food storage on hand can be very important. You don't really need a large space for food storage. A good rule to go by is to build a pantry that supports your normal meals rather than storing food you may or may not use. Even a small food storage space can be well organized. Grouping similar items together and storing in clear, labeled containers makes it easy to see what you have in your inventory and keep your shelves neat. Be sure to maintain an inventory list of what you have and update it when items are used or need replenishing. Be sure to keep track of expiration dates by writing them on the front of cans and packages. Build your food storage around your meal plan. Stock the ingredients for meals your family loves and eats regularly. This makes rotation easier and keeps food from sitting unused. I like to schedule regular pantry checks at least once a quarter to inspect dates and to see what I have that needs to be used soon so that I can plan meals around them. If you have limited space, using a couple large bins with lids or under the bed storage system is a simple way to help your kitchen run more efficiently without your cabinets and countertops being used for storage. These are just a few ways that having a system and routine for meals helps your whole home run smoothly. They say that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and I have found that if my kitchen is clean and well organized, I have a meal planned for the week, and I have scheduled a grocery store visit, I feel prepared for whatever comes at me. I feel less stressed on busy nights because I have a plan for feeding the family and getting us to where we need to be. It is incredible how the simple act of making a meal plan changes the course of the week. I will leave a link below to my Etsy shop so you can take a look at the home organization planner that contains the printables that I shared in today's video. I will also leave links to some previous videos that I have done about meal planning, pantry storage, and simple family night dinners to help you get through the week. You know, feeding our families is one of the most important things that we do every day. And if we are able to create a routine around the planning, the shopping, the storing, and the cooking of our food, I think that it is just natural that that routine and organization will flow into other parts of our life. The one thing that you will see immediately upon creating your own system is how smoothly your day plays out. Regardless of what happens during your day or evening at home, having a warm, comforting meal and bringing your family around the table is what truly matters. It gives you a chance to reconnect with each other and share the story of your day. Whatever happens in your day, bringing your family around the table for dinner is where home begins. So thank you all so much for watching today, and be sure to check the description box down below for the links that I mentioned in today's video. If you are new here, I hope that you would join our communities over on Facebook and Instagram at My Bashful Life, and please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you all back as part of our YouTube family. So until I see you in that next video, I hope that you love the life that you have, be kind to each other, stay safe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!